What's your name?
Habuba.
Habuba? Hey, how old are you? You fine as hell. Hey, what's good? Hey, where you from? Oh, you from Saudi Arabia? That's crazy. You look cute. I know. That's crazy, ain't it? But yeah, like, what's up, baby? Damn, why she not? Hello? Do she not like me? I thought I was a monkey. Hey, come here, baby.
Play with him. Touch him.
Oh, touch her? Hey, I just want to talk to you. Oh, hug her?
Hug her.
Oh, I can hug you? Oh, really?
She rejected you.
Really? I just got rejected by a monkey? Hey, baby. Damn. You don't like me? Hey, yo. Yeah, I'm talking to my monkey right now. Baby, what's wrong?
Hug her. Speak.
I'm trying to, okay, baby, come here. Hug? She doesn't want to hug, bro. Am I that ugly? I'm getting rejected. Am I just ugly? I think she's socially awkward.